channel. I'm Astrid. So today, we will make this cute glitter bracelet from LotsaLoops. So guys, before we start making this cute glitter bracelet, if you are new in my channel, please click that subscribe button below your screen to get more video updates from Astrid Mulles. Okay guys, let's get back to the video. So now let's open. Okay, so guys, this is what's inside. I think this is rubber bands. And then this is like the guide. And then it's cool. The rubber bands. We have glitter ones. And then we have decorations. So guys, now let's open the container number 2. This is sparkleberry. Other one is frosty icing. Let's open. Okay, now we got another wave guide, and we got new ones. Now we have decorations here. The decorations for the bracelet. Yeah. Okay. Oh no! Don't mix these two up. Okay, guys. Now let's open the container number 3. Now let's make some glitter bracelets. Are you ready to make them? Yeah! Let's start! making this cute glitter bracelets from LotsaLoops. So guys, I will choose the lock for the bracelet. Now I got the lock on to the bracelet, so I'm gonna try it. Ta-da! So guys, if you want more videos like this, please visit my Facebook page, Astrid Mulles, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Astrid Mulles too, to get more video updates and notifications. And if you like this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get me more video updates. Thanks for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye! LotsaLoops. Make sure to visit their website, www.LotsaLoops.com. Bye.